Hey friends, welcome back to Tech with Asterisk. Today, we're building something really cool, our very own chatbot with OpenAI API. Imagine having a virtual assistant that's custom made by you. It's simple yet powerful. Type in any question, and it responds right away. Let's dive in and build this together, step by step. Alright, let's get going. I've shared the entire code on GitHub, but to really get a feel for it, I recommend following along with each step. First things first, we need to create a virtual environment for this project. I'm using Conda for this setup. If you're new to it or need help installing it, let me know in the comments, and I'll create a tutorial just for you. I'll name the environment Chatbot, but of course, feel free to choose any name you like. Next, I select Python version 3.9.19, which is good for me now, and go ahead and hit enter, and give it a few seconds to create your environment. This step ensures our project runs in an isolated setup, which is super useful for managing dependencies. Once the environment is ready, we'll load it into VS Code. Just type conda activate chatbot, or whatever you named your environment. Activating it like this makes sure we're working in the right environment. Now, let's install the libraries we'll need to power this chatbot. Time to create our Python file. I'll start by importing the necessary libraries. Now, I'm initializing the OpenAI API client, which we'll refer to as client. To keep our API key safe, we'll store it as an environment variable, naming it OpenAI API key. I'll show you how to add the key in a moment. Keeping it secure like this is important, especially if you're sharing your code online. Our chatbot needs a bit of personality, so let's create a system prompt. I'll add this to a new file called systemprompt.txt. For now, I'll keep it basic, but you can get creative. I'll name our bot Roz, though feel free to give it a different name. Alright, let's go through this carefully. Follow each step, so you don't miss anything. Let's test if our system prompt file loads correctly. Oops, we hit an error. That's okay. Errors like these are part of the process. This one happened because we haven't set up our .env file yet for the API key. Let's fix that next. To grab your OpenAI key, follow these steps. If you're new to OpenAI, they'll start you off with $5 worth of credits, which is plenty for testing. Now, paste the API key into your .env file. But here's an important tip. Make sure to add this file to your .gitignore list if you're planning to push your code to GitHub or any other version control platform. This keeps your key secure. Alright, let's finish the remaining parts of the code together. I'm not going to break down the code line by line, but I've included some helpful comments along the way to guide you. Feel free to check them out as you explore. And that's it. We are ready to test our chatbot. And there we go. The chatbot is running perfectly. Let's add a final touch. I'll add a stop word so you can end the conversation by typing it. You'll find the complete code on GitHub. Check the link in the description. I'll be adding more projects there too, so let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you want to learn next. Want more on chatbots or other AI tools? I'm all ears. Quick note, in this project, the clean response function isn't needed, so we can skip that part and start from line 28 in our code. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed building RAS and learning how to connect with OpenAI's API, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. There's so much more to explore, and I can't wait to keep building cool projects together. See you in the next video. Keep coding and stay curious.